Fajuyi the Great was the first military governor of Western Nigeria. Born in Ado Ekiti, he made a personal sacrifice for the unity of Nigeria during the bloodiest military coup in the country. Lieutenant Colonel Francis Adekunle Fajuyi joined the army at the age of 17 and was awarded the British Empire Medal for helping to contain a mutiny in his unit in the year 1951. He became the first indigenous commander of the 1st Battalion in Enugu, a position Fajuyi held when the first military coup took place in 1966. The Prime Minister, Tafawa, Balewa, and a high percentage of northerners were killed in the coup, with Aguyi Ironsi emerging the first military head of state. Major Ironsi would appoint his friend Fajuyi as the governor of Western Nigeria. But 6 months after, Ironsi was in Ibadan when revenge-seeking soldiers stormed the government house for a counter-coup. Fajuyi refused to surrender his guest and boss, stating that it would give rise to Yoruba, Igbo suspicion and everlasting hatred. He forced himself into the murderer's vehicle as they attempted to drive off and was later found dead from gunshot injuries. The events of that night and beyond would culminate into the Nigerian Civil War, which is estimated to have led to the death of 2 million civilians.